The journey continues to Satu Mare, Romania. Tarnow to Satu Mare, 380 kilometers 6 hours driving. We drive through Slovakia and Hungary. We met some heavy rain in Hungary. There were strong winds, and trees were downed across the road. Checked in at Hotel Aurora in Satu Mare. We had a very good dinner at the hotel. Next stop, Vatra Dornii, 270 kilometers and 4.5 hours from Satu Mare.